กินเหล้านั่นหลุดไว้แล้วยักหน้าบอกว่าโอเค
Wow, look at this.
These are cute.
This is cute.
Cute, right?
This is also cute.
Maybe also if they accept that.
They must be accepted.
Which one do you want to go there now? Or later?
Or maybe later. I still want that skirt.
Which one? Yeah.
That skirt that's inside my mind.
Okay, let's go.
Because it's too much. But the quality is so good. Right? Wow, look at this bull.
Huh? Shall we stop here?
Sure?
You want to eat first?
Yeah.
Where shall we? We don't have anything to eat here.
69
Where shall we eat?
Up to you.
No, not up to me, up to you.
Move
Like
it.
somewhere here, so we smoke and go.
Okay.
Where?
Juicy Lucy. Juicy Lucy.
Which one do you want to go?
That one, burger bar or daily dose, up to you. I'm everywhere cool. Or that one also with a lot of green plants.
Let's go there.
Sure. Yeah.
Let's go.
Well, this one, Juicy Lucy,
This one is nice, right?
looks nice.
The red one.
Oh, red one also.
It's nice.
Chili and salt also looks nice.
Yeah. Let's smoke a weed there and then just go to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. there any weed poppers here?
There's a lot in this road.
Yeah. Let's go to another. This is the same thing.
Wow, your body is so heat. So warm.
So warm?
Yeah. Boy, this belly bracelet is so hot, right?
Hot.
יש לי אצבעונים של תאילנד, זה לא
Oh, this place is
Take a
cool.
look. Yeah.
Ich fand das auch gestern total erschreckend. Wow, there's that.
可你也朝那边走呀。
Are we went from here? Look at this.
Wow. That's the mirror effect. That's very nice.
So we go to discover it. Wow, everything is nice here. Yeah. This is a new high. You can stay here. Look at this.
Just go, just go.
Boy. Boy. Look at your right place. Well, even this one. Damn cute.
This is fucking fun, right?
This is proper.
Let's ask them if they're outside.
They accept. You should go to which place first. Oh, even this one is so cute. Wait, what do you think about this?
Ada, this is the biggest size, right? Not ring size.
This should have this one also. It's like in your country, right? People
The
wearing
shawl.
this. Yeah.
Nice.
It's only 100 baht. You accept card? They can use it. Oh, look at this, so cute. Anything you choose, I like. Oh my god, look at this one. So damn cute. Everything is cute in Thailand. What do you think about this? Boy, right? Boy.
It's nice.
Right? You should get one for you and we couple.
Huh?
Oh, this is Islamic one I like.
Really?
Yeah, hijab friendly. You should have one. Touch this. The quality is so good.
Nice, huh?
Yeah, we should have one similar. You and me, we couple. Wow, even this also I like, boy. Even this kind of style I like. What do you think?
I saw a nice cup for you. Let me show you.
Okay.
It's cute. This one, okay?
Which one?
This one. If you wear this, does that make you tired?
I don't know.
No, right? So like, this one. I don't know. How much? The top is on that side. Yeah.
Even this is so cute.
Yang sama tiket for baby warrior untuk baby.
Fish. Where is the top that you like?
Oh.